Editing videos with your mobile phone can be very overwhelming, more especially when you are new to editing. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily edit your videos with the Instagram Edit app using your mobile phone. The Instagram Edit app is free. There is no subscription required. This app is perfect if you are new to mobile phone video editing. With this app, you can easily add text, overlay, captions, B-roll, transitions, filters, and so much more. Another cool thing I love about this app is the fact that you can edit and export videos at 4K. There are several ways you can use this app. You can use it to make talking head videos just like this one. You can add text, overlay, and effects. You can also use this app to make voiceover videos as well as slideshows displaying your photos or products. First off, I'm just going to walk you through the interface of this Edit app. So if you don't have the app, you can download it either from the App Store if you're an iPhone user, or you can download it from the Google Play if you are using an Android phone. So let's jump right into it. On this tab, you can add sticky notes, your ideas, and so much more. Next, we have the Reels. From these Reels, this is where you get inspiration from other creatives. The next one is the project. This is where your personal projects are saved. Next up is the camera tab. As you can see, with the camera tab, you can add music from the Instagram music library. Here you have access to all the Instagram music. You can also do green screen. You can add timer if you want. You can also increase the speed. You can also increase the speed of your recording. On this camera tab, you can also do teleprompter. You can zoom in and zoom out using one of these ×1, ×2, ×3, depending on what you're going for. With this, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can increase the resolution of your video. Next up is the Insights tab. With this app, you have access to the Instagram analytics. You'll be able to see how your video is performing. So let's see how we can edit videos with this app. If you want to edit video, you come to the Project tab and click on this plus sign right here. Once you click on the plus sign, you will see gallery or camera. So if you have video saved on your gallery, you can click on gallery. So from here, you can import your photos or videos depending on what you want to do. So in this case, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. I'll record a video and edit it. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit with the Instagram Edit app. I'll stop here. That's video 1. So I'm going to do the next one, which is the conclusion. So you click on this red button to record. So it's recording. So I'll do the last one. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Click on the red button to stop it. So let's edit what I've just recorded now together. Click on this sign right here to import the videos to the timeline. Click. So it has imported all the videos to the timeline. See, this is video 1 and this is video 2. Just use your finger to tap on the video to highlight it. Once you see that yellow sign, that means that video is highlighted. So let's trim the video. Let's cut the parts we don't like and leave the parts we like. First off, highlight the video. Once the video is highlighted, you play it back. So let's delete the parts we don't like and leave the parts we like. Click on this play button to play the video. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit with the Instagram Edit app. So you press that same button to stop the video. So I don't like this part. So to trim that part we don't like, the video is highlighted. Click on this split. Then you see little split. Once you click on split, it will divide the video. So let's delete this part we don't like. You click on delete here. Let's play the video again and see. Welcome to today's video. As you can see from the beginning, there's a little pause. I don't want that pause, so let's trim that part out of it. You can just click on this edge right here and drag it to your right a little bit. Just drag it in. Let's play and see. Welcome to today's. Okay, it's still there. Just click and move it inside. Just click and hold, then move it back to your right hand a little bit. So let's play and see. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's. Okay, that's too much. Bring it a little bit to the left hand side. Click and drag to your left hand side. Okay, let's play and see. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit with the Instagram Edits app. Perfect. So let's go to the next one. So let's do the last part. Here we'll delete the parts we don't like and leave the parts that we want. Click on the play button to record. Change recording. So I'll do the last one. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Okay. So you can just use your finger to move either to the left or to the right. I'll just bring it back a bit. Highlight the video, click on split, then delete that part we don't want. Let's play and see. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Pause the video. Then highlight this part and click on split. If you don't want to use split, you can hold down this part with one finger and drag it back to your left to trim the parts you don't want. So I'm doing that right now. So let's see how it's going to look like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next. Welcome to. Okay, that's too much. Click and drag it to your right hand side a little bit. Let's play it again. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. So let's play the whole video. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit with the Instagram Edits app. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. So that's how to trim and delete the parts you don't want. Let me know in the comments if you like tutorials like this, and consider subscribing if you have not. So let's continue. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to adjust the brightness and contrast. So click on the video. You use your finger. Once the video is selected, use your finger and look for adjust. So from this adjustment tab, you can either increase the exposure, you can reduce the brightness just like so, or increase the brightness depending on what you are going for. So I'm just going to reduce this brightness a little bit. Then the contrast, you can either add more contrast or reduce the contrast depending on what you want to. Here I'll just add a little bit of contrast. Once you are happy with the way the video is looking, you click on this sign here. You can repeat the same thing for this one. You come here, look for adjust, click on adjust, reduce the brightness a little bit, and add a bit of contrast to it. Once you are done, you click on this sign right here to save the changes. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add caption. To add caption, move the video to the beginning and click on this CC. Once you click on the caption, it will automatically generate the captions for you. So let's edit these captions. Come here and click on edit. So here you can go through the text to make necessary correction if needed. Once you're done with the correction, click on this plus sign right here. From here you can pick templates, different templates depending on what you would like. You can come here and change the fonts if you're not happy with that one. You can change the color of the text to what you would like. There are more templates here. Here, there are different effects you can add as well, depending on what you want. If you don't want any of them, you just click on none. Then here, we have more effects. If you don't want any of them, just click on none. So I'll come back here and select this one. Once you are done, just click here and drag it down. So you can add overlay. I'm just going to show you how you can do that. To add overlay, click on this overlay. You can add either photos or videos depending on what you want to do. So let's add a video. I'll just pick one video and add it to it. So I'm just going to add a video here. So I'll add this one. I'll click on this video, then click on this side to add the overlay. So look at it. You can reduce the overlay. So to reduce the overlay, you use your two fingers like this. Hold and either reduce it like this to reduce, then to increase it like this. So let's go. I'll increase, reduce. You can use one of your finger to move it to anywhere you want it to be. If you want it here, you can move it there. If you want it here, you can leave it there. If you want it down, so you can just move it to anywhere you want that overlay to be on your video. You can also reduce the size. Remember how to trim. You can just click and hold down, click and hold this side, depending on what you want. You can mute the volume of the overlay. The next thing I want to do now is to add background music to this video. So to add background music, what you need to do is to come here where you have audio, click on it. You can choose from the Instagram music library. If you don't want to do that, you can import your own music as well. So I don't want to use any of this song from the Instagram library. I'm going to import the one I have already from my gallery. I'll click on import. Import from file. Then I'll look for where I have my song saved. Then the next thing, I'll just select one out of this song. So let's play and see. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit with the Instagram Edit app. The song is too loud and at the same time it's too long. The first thing I want to do is to trim the song. So let's go. You highlight it, highlight the song, then click on split to trim the parts that you don't want. So I'm just going to trim this side so that the song will be exactly the length of the video. To reduce the volume of the song, what you need to do is to highlight the song, come to volume. You see it's showing 100%. We don't want the volume of the song to overshadow the volume of the video. So what you need to do is to reduce it. Use your finger, drag it backwards to your left hand side to say 35. Let's see how it's going to sound like. Click on play button. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit with the Instagram Edit app. If you feel the background music is too loud, you can also reduce it. You just come back to the volume and reduce it. So let's bring it down a bit to let's say 30. Then click here. Play it back. Welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit. Yeah, I'm happy with the video. We recorded, we trimmed the video, we added caption, we adjusted the brightness and contrast. The next thing to do before you export the video is to name your project. So to name your project, what you need to do is you click on this new project right here and click on rename and type in the name you want to save your project with. Here I'll name it Edit Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Once you're done, click on done. So let's export this video. You can export the video as 2K, 4K or HD depending on what you want to do. I normally export my video as 4K. I'll select 4K and click on export. Give it some time to export. Yeah, it's just processing. It's going to take, because it's 4K, it should take a couple of seconds to be complete. Now it's done. You can decide to share it to your Instagram or Facebook, or you can as well download it to your gallery. Well, that is all for today. Let me know in the comment if you found value in this video and if you like more of tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.